What's up, you guys? My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn your notification bell on. But if you've been rocking with me, thanks for all the love, thanks for all the support, thanks for all the watch. Don't forget to like and get active in the comment box. So today we're going to talk about growing pain. And I'm not talking about that throbbing pain you feel when you're growing, like in the back of your leg, in the back of your thigh, in your feet and all that. Because you know growing pain is a thing, right? It is. Look up growing pain. It is a thing. I'm talking about the things that becomes more painful, literally and all. So I'm going to touch on stuffs like food, friendship, family, and so on. So if you want to hear about my growing pains and maybe you can relate to that, you just stay tuned and keep on watching. First thing I'm gonna hit on is food. And I'm gonna talk about food because food is a must, because we need food and water to survive. But we think we actually need more food than we actually do, and we like everything tasty, salty, sweet and all that. But the thing is, when you're younger, you can do all that. I mean, no, you probably have to, but I grew up in the Caribbean, so I didn't like snack on fast food and all of that. For our snack, it was like fruits, like we go pick a papaya off the tree, we go pick some mango, we go pick some passion. That would be. Now, as you get older, depending on where you live, you have to start think about food from a younger age. But back then we didn't really. We just ate everything. We run up and down, we do this, we do that. Probably our parents cook probably 2 or 1 meal a day, most of the time dinner, but you'll get something light for breakfast, or sometimes if you're lucky you'll get a nice big breakfast. So food is one thing for me, and that's a growing pain, because I used to enjoy that and I love food, and I still do. Obviously I still do, but I loved food back then, and it's a growing pain for me that now I have to watch certain things, I have to cut out certain things for health benefits. And health is on my growing pain too, but we haven't gotten to that part as yet. But yeah, for health purpose and health benefit and longevity of life, we have to cut out certain things in food. And the funny thing is, the things that we need to cut out are some of the things that make it tasty. But there are other ways to make your food tasty. And that's why I have my The Optimistic little section episodes every now and then where I can prepare things to teach you guys. So that's one of my growing pain, food, because like I said, I like food. Everybody would like to eat the things that they love all the times, and no repercussion for that. You know, you just eat what you love. You like your cake, you like your ice cream. We'd all love to eat what we love all the time, but we just can't do that. So that's a pain to have to let go of that, but it's a good pain. It's, you know, it's a growing pain. As times go by, you figure out how to make things taste better without certain ingredients, or not have to be so sweet, or the substitute that you use, which of course from my studies and what I know, substitute sugar doesn't make it any better. Like those sugar-free 0-calorie sugar doesn't really make things any better. You're better off just using a spoon of regular sugar and just limit it to a spoon or less than a spoon. But yeah, food is one of my growing pain. I've had to give up a lot of things. I love eating. When I travel, when I go to Jamaica, I just want to eat everything I see every day, because I know I don't get it all the times. When I cook, I just want to eat because my food tastes so good. So food is definitely one of my growing pain. And if you see me looking up, because I have a piece of paper here, because as I always say, I can't remember everything. I'm getting old, John. So the next thing is friendship. Friendship. When you're younger, you have a dozen friends. When you're younger, you go up and down, and everywhere you go, you can meet new friends. You can tell friends everything. Yes, at some point you had to pay the price for that, because you'll tell a friend something that you didn't want it to get back out, and they'll tell somebody and it'll get to the wrong ears, and it could have been miserable, like a little mix. I don't know where you guys grew up, but where I grew up, that was a thing, like mix up and all of that with friends. First of all, certain things you want to do it with friends. You don't want to go to the park by yourself. You don't want to go a river by yourself. Well, we never go to no park. You don't want to go look mango by yourself. You don't want to go look cane by yourself. You don't want to do not by yourself. You don't want to walk, go to school by yourself. You don't want to be at school by yourself. So friends were like very important to you. Along the way, you may have met some good friends, and you may have met some messed up friends, but back then it didn't matter to you whether they were good or they were messed up. You change friends so often. The growing pain of that is, as you get older, you don't want too many friends. You'd rather spend alone time, like time with friends. You'd rather spend time with family, and family is also on my growing pains list. But you'd rather spend time and your money and your energy with family. Don't Not to say, all my friends out there that are watching, not to say you don't want to spend it with friends. Yeah, but when you're younger, it's like you want to get away from your family. You want to get away from your family and be with your friends all the time because that was more fun. As you're getting older, you want to know your niece, you want to know your nephew, you want to be close to your sisters, you want to be close to your brothers, you want to be close to your mom and dad, because even if you didn't get along when you were younger, you're getting older, you notice they're getting older, you're seeing them ways that you've never seen them before, they're seeing you ways that they've never seen you before. Maybe you've had to tell them your mind. Maybe you're making your own decision. They're not used to that. When you're younger, they can tell you, oh, go do that, and you don't question it. When you're older, it doesn't happen that way. So you wanted to get away and go to friends. But as you get older, you're more clinging to your family. You'll probably rather develop a bond and a true friendship, a best friendship with you and your sister instead of a stranger. If it's a stranger you found friendship with, maybe it's from back them time when you were smaller, great, but that friendship means a lot to you, so you don't want to hear nobody talk about a friend. You don't want to talk about some of the growing pain when it comes to friendship. You may have to like less friends and more dedication, more honesty towards that friends, more loyalty to all that friend, to that one friend or that two friends that you have. When you're younger, you don't care because your friends come and your friends go. And as I had mentioned, family, it leads me to family. When you were younger, like I said, you want to get away from your family. Your brothers and sisters, you don't get along. They tell on you, they snitch on you, they'll take your last piece of food, they'll do this, they'll do that. And probably you were that brother and sister, or brother or sister that did that. But the funny thing is now you're so sensitive about your family. You don't want nothing happen to them. And even if you don't talk for a while, you think about them. When you pray for them. You want the best for them. Even if you're younger, even if you're older, it don't matter if it's your bigger sister, your older sister, your younger sister, you just want them to be okay. It breaks your heart when something is wrong with them, when something is not going great. That kind of break your heart. Like right now, my brother is sick and like it's really hurting because I can't see him and I can't talk to him. But when you're younger, that didn't matter. Your brother was sick, you would go play same way with your friends. You'd go by your friends all same way. You wouldn't want to go home, So that's a growing pain when it comes to family. You get more attached. You get more, you're more loyal to your family now instead of strangers or instead of friends. Because you're not trying to get in them in no trouble. You wish them the best. You pray for them. You hope all is okay with them. You think about them all the time. You think about their best interests. You think about their well-being and all of that. So that's one of the growing pain I would mention, family. And as we leave family and friend, which was already kind of a little emotional, I kind of got a little emotional talking about that. You guys probably didn't see, but I did. We can talk about something fun. I've talked about fashion. That's one of the growing pain. Fashion. Like now, back when you're growing, you're younger, you want all the shortest shorts, the shortest skirt, the skimpiest thing, the skimpiest blouse, and whatever. And as time go by, and even when you were aging, you would probably get a little more modest, but it would be, the modesty would be in moderation. You still want to bring out that fat side to you, yeah? Yeah, you still want to bring out that third side to you. But as you get a little up in age, older, to you, it's not about style or what is wearing. It's more fashion to you. Like, you want to know that when you put something together, they look good. Like me, I want to know that when I tie my head with this little bandana and put on this little $5 t-shirt, it looks really good with me, and that's what matter. I have my nice little earring here. Before that, those weren't some things that I would buy. Before, I would buy like some costume jewelry. I'll buy like some, just some things that weren't durable. And even clothes, before I would like buy a whole lot of cheaper clothes, but now for me, I'd rather buy like one piece of expensive staple piece and I always talk about staple pieces in all my fashion video. Everything that I did, that I've done that had to do with fashion, I've always talked about staple pieces. Instead of buying a dozen jeans from certain places, a dozen cheap jeans, I want to buy that one nice mom jeans or dad jeans that's gonna go with everything, or that nice tight jeans that fit you good. Instead of buying a dozen shirt or a dozen little $10 $5 belt, which nothing is wrong with that. I still kind of wear those to spiff up an outfit. But instead of buying all of those, you want to buy like a nice belt, a nice staple piece belt, and that's going to be in your closet for a while. You want to buy a nice bag instead of buying all those $2 $3 $1 purse. I don't know that purse are selling for that price, but I'm just saying, back then you would have buy like a dozen of those cheaper purse, like a $5 $10 purse. Now when you're getting older, you want to buy a handbag or a clutch or a nice little purse that you don't mind carrying it over and over and over. It's a little more expensive, but it's worth it because it's classy, and you feel like you can go sit with the king and the queen with it, or you feel like you can walk down the road with it. So those are the kind of pieces that are active that you want to spend on when it comes to fashion. So that's a growing pain, because you don't get to buy so much again, but you get to buy better quality now, if I may say. So that's a growing pain for me. Bear in mind, there are a lot of growing pains. I couldn't do this video if I didn't touch on the final one, and probably most important one, health. And health does correlate with everything, with family, it correlates with fashion, it correlates with food, because first of all, health begins where you have to nourish your body properly. Proper nourishment don't mean like you sit down and you eat a whole pound of this by yourself, a pound of that by yourself, just because it's healthy. No, you need to eat moderation. There have to be a balance in everything. There must be a balance in everything that you do. You have to have balance. And don't get me wrong, I'm not perfect either. For God knows I'm not perfect, especially when it comes to food and eating and all of that. Family, I'm probably not the most perfect person, but I know, and that's the thing, when you are blessed with knowledge, you're blessed with everything, because as soon as you start putting whatever you know, the knowledge, into action, you can do anything. And it may take some time. I'm not gonna say it's easy, because even I'm still working on mine. It may take some time, but never give up. So health is very, 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 very important. And if you try to be healthy and eat right and eat portion and eat at the right time and eat the right things and not smoke and not drink so much, if you're trying to be healthy and you've been trying for years and you keep failing and failing and failing, maybe today's the day that you're gonna start. Don't stop when it comes to your health. Everything. So when it comes to your health, don't give up. If you fail yesterday, keep trying, because the only way you will beat failure is if you keep trying. If you fail and then you just stop, you lay down in the path and you say, oh, I'm done. You fail. You fail. If you keep trying, one time you will succeed. One time you will succeed. So that is something to take with you guys. I love you guys, and I want everybody to be healthy, and I thank you guys for your support. At the end of most of my recent videos, you may notice you see this prayer hand with the flowers in it. That just means I'm praying for you guys. Beautiful prayer. The flowers represent the beauty and the hands just represent the prayer. So I'm praying for all of you guys. So don't give up whatever you're going through. Don't give up. Keep trying. And when you think you've tried enough and you can't try again, you just try one more time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and get active in the comment box. I love you guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah.